Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use 3 finger screenshot on Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to use 3 finger screenshot like this, so let's see how can you do this. For this you just have to enable settings, so go for settings and then go for accessibility and shortcuts. Just select it and here you will get super screenshot or screenshot option. Select it. In screenshot you will get gesture screenshot setting. Here you can see I have already enabled it. You just have to enable these settings and after that you have to look for this helping screen which is saying you have to scroll down with 3 fingers. So let's try this. Just scroll down with 3 fingers and it will automatically take screenshot of your screen. You can easily edit the screenshot here. So that's how you can use 3 finger screenshot or gesture screenshot on Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.